Welcome to J Rule Productions. Today I'm going to show you guys a very easy and effective way of drying wet shoes in the dryer so you don't have to deal with the drying time, especially since we get no sun in the Seattle area. Here you see 3 pairs of Adidas shoes, my favorite brand of course. And on the right is the Superstar, which I use for deadlifts, and I need that tomorrow. I just washed these and these are still wet. Alright, so if you were to dry it without the secret method, it would be loud like this. Yeah, there's no way you can sleep like that and turn this off. What a ruckus. So what you want to do at first is to tie a knot on the shoestring close to the end. Do it for the other pair of shoes. I already did it for my other 2 Adidas shoes. Let's go ahead and throw in one of these Snuggle dryer sheets to make everything smell nice. And here is the trick, guys. Hold the pairs of shoes by the shoestrings with the knots outside of the door. Alright, so you see all 3 pairs of shoes with the knots hanging out. And here we go. Turn it on. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. There is no loud banging noises. And it's going to dry in record time. Hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Take care of yourselves.